Soup no mai. It's a savory Lao bamboo dish. This is also made in the Thai Isan region.
Hear me?
Okay.
Love you.
Love you too. Drive safe, please. What's up guys? Today I'm eating soup no mai. It's a savory Lao bamboo dish. This is also made in the Thai Isan region as well. It's going to be salty and savory in flavor, but when you eat it with sticky rice, it becomes so well balanced, a collision of flavor. The sauce is going to be thick from the use of the rice slurry, and it has toasted rice sesame, and then you have chili peppers there. It's garnished with toasted sesame, cilantro, and green onion. So if you have Lao bamboo soup before, called keng no mai, this would be the sister version of it, almost like a dehydrated version of it. It's so flavorful and healthy because it's made with this herb called bayanang leaves, which has a lot of good health components with it. Bayanang leaves is really good for you. A lot of people use it as medicine. I have my sticky rice here, so I'm gonna grab some of that. If you guys never have sticky rice, you're missing out. Go get some, please. It's so good. So I have it here, and I'm just gonna grab the amount I want. Wow, look at that. I'm drooling. This is shredded bamboo. Like a pepper per bite. Ooh! Look how sticky it is. How it tastes, gonna be savory, umami. Ooh, the pepper kicking in. Let me take a bite. Let's try the bamboo. Sap. Soup น้ำมันเฮ็ดซุปน้ำมันกินโอ้เผ็ดขนาดถ้าอีเห็นวิธีข่อยก็มีสูตรเด้อคุยเอา Look at the texture here. The pepper is just hanging on to the bamboo. And the sauce is thick from the use of the glutinous rice we call khao bua. Texture of the bamboo is so good. You have a little bit of a crunch, it's really soft. And when you bite into it, it's just so buttery. It just melts. You have the toasted sesame seeds, the scallions, the green onion. Oh. This is like home. That's the chow. I always get to eat this at the temple. The grandmas, they always make this. And whenever I have it, it brings me back to my childhood. Very nostalgic. I practically can't find this anywhere at grocery stores or Asian restaurant. It's really rare. You pretty much have to make it. Once in a while, some restaurants will have it. So when I want this, I have to make it myself. This kind of food, when I get to make it, it makes me appreciate and love my culture so much. Ooh, เผ็ดพี่น้องมาเด้อมาเด้อกินซุปน้ำไหม้เผ็ดขนาดโอ้การมาเผ็ดใส่นี่กับข้าวเหนียวครับวู้มุกน้ำไหม้มาเด้อพี่น้องมากินน้ำกันแซ่บ